Hey guys, welcome back again to your review channel. Today we're doing another test. So I got a few comments saying that they saw my review and they weren't, not that they weren't happy with it, but they wanted me to do it on more of the shock mount with the Audio Technica and the shock mount that they came with it. This is the shock mount right here. Hopefully you can see it. It's right here. That is the shock mount that the microphone came with, right there. So I want to do a fair comparison, not being held by the hand, because you get a lot of that hand sound, you get a lot of the hand noise, and I do understand that. So this microphone is on the shock mount, that's on a boom arm, it's fixed to my desk, and basically I am just talking into the microphone directly about 4 or 5 inches approximately from the microphone. And we're going to compare it to the BM800. So this is the Audio Technica 2035, and we're doing a comparison. So this is the round 2 of my review of this microphone. I'm talking in a normal voice, and I just want you to, what you think, how it sounds. I'm using a Focusrite Solo, roughly around 70% gain on it, I would say approximately, maybe almost 3/4 on the on that Solo. It's excellent, by the way. It's a great interface. If you're looking to get audio into your computer, it's probably one of the best on the market as far as the price point is concerned, around $100 or so. I'll leave links below for the microphone. It works great. I'll leave links below. It's right down there. You can take a look at it. So my first microphone that I received, this is right here. This was the first one that I received. It was a BM800. And there's a million brands similar to this. There's a million different names. They basically take and they slap it right on here. And it's a condenser microphone, but it's really a broad spectrum microphone. It pretty much captures all the sound, all the ambiance. So there's really no target. When you talk into this Audio Technica, you're really picking up my voice directly straight into it. So hopefully you can hear that. So right now I am talking on the Audio Technica 2035, and we're going to compare it. I'm going to put it on its mount. It came with this mount right here, and we're going to actually mount it to the boom, and we're going to compare it. So this is the BM800. And I'm talking on the Audio Technica 2035. So how does this sound? I'm roughly 4 to 5 inches away from the microphone. It is connected to the shock mount, and it is connected to my desk. Nothing else is running. There were no other noise in the background. How does it sound? How do you compare it? The last one had a lot of noise from my hand moving back and forth, and you can hear all the noise, and it was a little distorted. Not distorted, but it was a little annoying, and I do understand that. I get that, and I take all feedback, positive or negative, and I try to correct what I did and try to make a better review. So when you go out and purchase the microphone, you are convinced that what it sounds like is what it sounds like, and that's pretty much the bottom line. And I think this is a great microphone. The bass is really nice and deep. It's very rich. And dollar for $150, I don't think you can go wrong for the price point. This microphone here was a great microphone. I had it for a couple of years. It works great. It's a good quality microphone, but I wanted something a little bit better, richer sound as I got more involved with doing my YouTube videos and my YouTube reviews, and I wanted you to hear the difference and tell me what you think. Okay, so this is the Audio Technica 1234. Thank you for tuning in to your review channel. I hope you're enjoying this review so far. If you are, please subscribe below. Also like and share. It does help me out quite a bit, as you know. And that is the Audio Technica 2035. How does it sound? How does it sound? You can check out the other review too. I was holding my hand back and forth, and the axe, I was turning it on its side and moving it all around, and it was making a little bit of noise, and I get that. This is on the shock mount. How does it sound? And we're just going to hook up the other microphone now and see if you can hear the difference and also compare. Let's do that right now. Okay guys, I'm back. So I am on the BM800, and I was just talking on the Audio Technica 2035. It's right here. I disconnected the mount. I only have one setup here with the microphone, so I had to disconnect everything and just to hook it up directly. So I don't know if you can hear the difference between this and the other one. I think this is a little bit more, not tinnier. Maybe, okay, so let's call it tinnier. I mean, that's what it is. I'm a no-nonsense type of person. I want to know what it costs and how it sounds. All the technical mumbo jumbo means nothing to me. I mean, yeah, it's important, and price is important, and the whole thing. But what does it cost, and how does it sound on the other end? And that's the main thing. And hopefully you can hear the difference between the two. The last review that I did do, as I was editing it, I really heard the difference, honestly, as I was playing it back in my headset. And this microphone here had just a little bit, actually a lot better. Just those higher notes, it just wasn't tinny. It didn't pick up all the background noise. It really focused on when you're talking to the microphone. It really picked up basically where it should, versus this microphone here picks up all around. So it's really just it's a generic microphone. It's like $25. It is what it is. If you're starting out, sounds not bad. You hook it up to the Scarlett Focus One, whatever this is. What is this? Oh, Scarlett Solo. Let's get it straight. Hook it up to the Scarlett Solo. It does it. So the interface is fantastic. So that's no problem. If the microphone is really where you want to be at. And so I do recommend this. Sorry about that. I do recommend the Audio Technica. No question about it. If you've got upgrading, I think all in all, it's a better product for the money. But if you're just starting out, the BM800, doesn't matter what name is on it, doesn't matter who's selling it. If it's a BM800, that's pretty much what it is. You do get what you pay for. It is $25 roughly, $28, $30. You can buy the kit for $50 versus just the microphone here with the shock mount is $150, brand new, and that's what I elected to do. I didn't want to do the refurbished, basically what was going on in today's world with whatever, what's going on. So that's pretty much it. So I went with the brand new. It came in no problem. It had no issues. It works perfectly. So how does this sound? Thank you for tuning in to the review channel for a BM800 versus the Audio Technica 2035. How does it sound? What do you think? Well, I think it sounds a little better than the other one, but you'd be the judge. Let me know. Leave comments below. I hope this makes a little better review for you so you can hear the difference. I didn't touch anything else. I'm going to do it in post-production, probably maybe like a 2 or 3 dB gain, just an uptick a little bit, just to pick up the audio, just to drop during production. And that's all. So that's all I'm going to do. Any questions or any comments? If you like this review, again, leave some comments. Give me a like. That would help me out, boost up, and let everybody else see the review and let everybody else see what's going on with these microphones, so they can compare and they can make a proper judgment on how it sounds and the price you pay. Okay, all the doodly doos and diddly deeds and everything else that everyone talks about, those are all great. They go through all the specs and they talk about everything. But me, what does it cost? How does it sound? Right? What does it cost? What does it do? Is it going to help me? Am I going to sound better? Am I going to look better with a better camera? Am I going to have a faster computer? You know what I mean? I mean, that's what it is. The specs are important, but the bottom line is, how does it sound? And that's what it is. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I do appreciate you tuning in for this second update for the exact same microphones, but this was mounted on a shock mount on my desk and set up this way. So any other questions or comments, or if you have anything that you want me to review or any other equipment that you want me to look at, leave below. Let me know. I do appreciate that. And you subscribe to the channel and you'll get more notifications when things are done. So I appreciate that and hope you enjoy this one. And till the next one, thanks for tuning in.